Last year, a decision was taken by the government of Barbados to equip the Transport Board with a new fleet of buses. A subcommittee of the board was established to set the design specifications, which principally would have taken into account road conditions, passenger and driver safety, and comfort. The bus purchase was put out to tender locally and internationally, with due care taken to ensure that the board and its customers got the best deal possible. Jerome Walcott is chairman of the Tenders Committee. Recently, Mr. Walcott led a team comprising officials of Simpson Motors and the Barbados Transport Board on a visit to Marco Polo, the bus manufacturing company in Brazil.
And we spent quite a lot of time arguing out things like the step heights that we wanted in Barbados, because there were several complaints about the steps being too steep and too high, the door widths being too narrow. And then there were problems with ventilation within the buses, where it was felt that there were not enough windows provided. To this end, we're going to have more windows as such.
Marco Polo has been making buses for almost 50 years and has earned a reputation for quality throughout the world. The many features of the new bus will include slip-resistant and insulated floors, reserved seating for the elderly and disabled, electronic destination signs, and rear-mounted engines.
The driver now has a cooler environment to work in and is less noisy because the engine is at the back, and it is easier access to the fare boxes for the passengers.
Sylvan Condriton, workshop shift manager of the Transport Board, is impressed with the Marco Polo buses and says they are well suited to Barbadian conditions.
The type of chassis that we are purchasing, yes, we are familiar with it, because we have one of that kind in our fleet, and it seems to be working very, very well.
Simpson Motors, the representatives of Marco Polo and Mercedes-Benz in Barbados, have assured the board of long-term technical support and training.
Marco Polo will offer training. Mercedes has offered training. I know in the past Mercedes have also offered driver training.
By September this year, passengers will be traveling on the new buses, clearly recognizable by the new paint scheme designed by Everard Taylor, winner of the Transport Board's design competition. This is all part of a new thrust at the board aimed at achieving new levels of customer service and satisfaction.